2025 marks a turning point in architectural design. Homeowners are moving away from excess and embracing the beauty of refined simplicity. Luxury now means intentional living. Every element has purpose, every line tells a story. Minimalist architecture has evolved to become warmer, more sustainable, and profoundly elegant, redefining modern comfort. Minimalism in 2025 goes beyond less is more. It's about creating harmony between space, light, and nature. Architects are designing homes with open layouts, fluid transitions, and uncluttered lines that promote calmness and clarity. The focus is on timeless materials, natural textures, and the emotional experience of space. True modern luxury today is subtle, not showy. In 2025, elegance is found in quiet architecture that allows the mind to breathe. Soft lighting, seamless finishes, and monochrome palettes blend with organic forms. This approach celebrates serenity while maintaining a sense of high-end sophistication that never feels sterile. Sustainability is no longer optional, it's the foundation of luxury design. Homeowners in 2025 seek energy-efficient technologies, recycled materials, and water-saving innovations. Solar panels and smart shading systems integrate invisibly into architectural form. The luxury now lies in living responsibly, in beauty that respects the planet. The open concept trend continues, but with greater balance. Designers are introducing zoning, using partial walls, glass partitions, or changes in ceiling height to define areas while maintaining visual flow. The result is a dynamic home that feels both connected and private, perfect for modern family lifestyles. In 2025, biophilic design is at its peak. Floor-to-ceiling windows, green walls, and indoor courtyards connect people with nature. Natural light floods interiors, while materials like stone, wood, and clay create sensory richness. This connection to the earth brings tranquility and a sense of belonging to minimalist spaces. Technology in 2025 homes is invisible yet indispensable. Smart automation systems control temperature, lighting, and security seamlessly. Voice and AI integration make homes more responsive, efficient, and comfortable. The focus is on technology that enhances life, not dominates it, blending innovation with understated design. Minimalist homes of 2025 embrace texture to avoid monotony. Rough stone against smooth plaster, matte finishes beside brushed metal, These contrasts add depth and interest. Sustainable materials like bamboo, cork, and reclaimed timber make a strong comeback, combining luxury with responsibility and visual warmth. Cold, sterile minimalism is out. Warm minimalism, characterized by earthy tones, cozy textures, and organic materials, defines 2025. Interiors feel lived in and emotionally rich, while maintaining the clean geometry of minimalist design. It's an aesthetic that balances purity with comfort, structure with soul. Minimalist architecture is becoming more sculptural. Instead of ornament, architects use light, shadow, and form to create visual drama. Curved walls, cantilevered terraces, and floating staircases are functional art pieces. The home becomes a gallery of living design, where simplicity takes on an expressive, dynamic character. Glass remains a key material in luxury minimalist homes. Panoramic glazing, skylights, and sliding glass facades erase boundaries between indoors and outdoors. Transparency enhances natural lighting and creates an open, liberating atmosphere. Privacy is preserved through strategic landscaping and tinted smart glass technologies. The dominant color story of 2025 is subtle and soothing. Warm beige, soft clay, sand, taupe, and sage replace stark whites and grays. These natural tones create harmony with organic materials and outdoor surroundings, making minimalist homes feel more human, nurturing, and timeless. Architecture now extends seamlessly into outdoor areas. Rooftop terraces, infinity pools, and fire lounges become integral living zones. Designers emphasize flow, where inside and outside coexist effortlessly. This approach enhances wellness, leisure, and connection to nature, turning every home into a private resort. Urban living in 2025 embraces compact luxury. Efficient layouts, multifunctional furniture, and innovative storage allow minimalist beauty even in small spaces. Architects design with precision. Every inch optimized, every element refined. It's minimalism that proves elegance doesn't depend on size, but on thoughtful design. Exterior design in 2025 returns to timeless simplicity. Clean lines, neutral tones, and natural textures dominate facades. Wood slats, stone cladding, and brushed concrete bring authenticity. The emphasis is on proportion, balance, and visual stillness, a minimalist statement that ages gracefully. Lighting transforms minimalist spaces from simple to spectacular. Indirect LEDs, recessed fixtures, and floor uplighting create ambience without clutter. In 2025, designers treat light as architecture, sculpting moods, highlighting textures, and defining volumes. The result is understated drama and luxurious serenity. Minimalism in 2025 blends global influences. From Japanese Zen to Scandinavian Hygge, Mediterranean openness to Balinese calm, architects merge cultures into a universal aesthetic. The result is design that transcends geography, creating homes that feel grounded, global, and deeply human. Eco-innovation drives the architectural world forward. Recycled concrete, hempcrete, and solar-integrated glass redefine what sustainable luxury looks like. Green roofs and rainwater harvesting are becoming mainstream. In 2025, beauty and responsibility unite. Architecture that doesn't just impress, but endures and regenerates. The best minimalist homes are designed around emotion. They make people feel calm, inspired, and connected. Architects now prioritize acoustics, scent, and natural rhythm. The goal: to build spaces that nourish mental health and support balanced living, where minimalism meets mindfulness. Twenty 2025 is the year when luxury and simplicity finally converge. The future of home design is not about excess, but about essence. Homes that breathe, nurture, and inspire. Minimalist architecture is no longer a style, it's a lifestyle. A celebration of calm, beauty, and sustainable elegance for the modern age.